Solution to an economic recession. Create an online course. Around in between writing a book, selling worksheets and templates, and many more, you may decide to package the resources you create as an online course. Many people make their content with platforms like Teachable and then host their system on their websites. So let us look at some pros. Highlight your unique knowledge. Package a range of creative contributions. Some cons. Employment through startup process. Need to engage in self-promotion and marketing. Thank you for watching this video. I have prepared a complimentary mini course on the topic, The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession. This course is now available on our website, and you can access this course by clicking the link given in description. So grab your copy right now.